guys, Justice Egan here, and I'm cutting this video on a very special day. I'm a little anxious here. I have just pulled into work, and I'm about to go in and quit my job, fire my boss, and quit my job, fire my boss.
I'm not Justin Egan, but I fired my boss, and you know why? Because I started my online marketing business, and I started using my Lead System Pro. Now, if you like my videos, if you like my information, my content, I would like you to go below, touch that subscribe button, hit that bell so you know when I'm coming on again. I'm going to give you tips of the trade and information that you can use daily, monthly, yearly to increase the sales of your online home business. Now, let's get started. Back to Justin Egan. How did he do it? He signed up with My Lead System Pro, the only online marketing platform that can show you every step of the way exactly what you need to know to start an online business. I didn't believe it until I tried it. Now, like others, just like you start an online business and you think, I'm going to jump online and I'm going to start making money hand over fist, just like everybody you see online, and it doesn't happen. And you try and you struggle and you work at it for months on end. And then after about 3 months, you say, you know what, piss on this. I'm done with it. No way. It's all a scam. I can't make money. Well, I'm going to tell you right now, it's not a scam. If you use the systems that have been implemented by people like Ray Higdon, who else? Keisha Bass, Mark Harbert, Norbitz, what's his name? Norbitz, I can't remember his first name. But anyway, these people all worked with My Lead System Pro since the day it started. They learned how to build an audience, engage an audience, sell to an audience. They learned how to make sales funnels, how to do copywriting and blogging. And eventually, as you learn all the basics, you can go in and start making conversions to your sites, and you start making sales. And after you make the first sale, then you've got the bug. But you're not going to do it unless you know the basics. Too many people come into this industry believing that all I have to do is join a company, put that link out there online, put the picture of that company online, and I'm going to make $1 million. I tried it. I know for a fact that does not work, because I was like every other newbie online, and I thought, if I just start an online business, I put a company name out there, people buy it up. And it doesn't matter what niche you're in, it doesn't matter what you're trying to sell, health and wellness, beauty supplies, puppy food, it just doesn't matter what you're doing. People are not going to see a company name, and just because you put a cute kitten or puppy on the picture, or some guy that built his six-pack, they're not going to click on it and buy the product. It is not going to happen. There are ways to do it. It takes time. You've got to work at it, and you've got to learn the systems. But the only way to learn the systems is get with the program that is proven. MLSP, My Lead System Pro, is a proven concept, proven marketing technologies. They've put it all together for you. It's all in one area. You can use it. I don't know what else to say except you have to get in and try it. There's a 10-day free trial. Try it. Try it for 10 days. See what it has to offer. That's the only thing I can tell you to do. If you're online, if you're trying to be a marketer, you're new to the business, and you are not having results, it's because you're doing it wrong. Because if you do it right, you get results. You start making online money, you start earning an income, and before you know it, you can be like this guy and fire your boss. Just walk in and fire your boss. What I want you to do is go below, click that little link, and watch the rest of this video and see what he did to fire his boss. It's that easy. So, get online, type in, how do I fire my boss, or what's the best training video, or type in MLSP, type in my name, Brady Theodore. That's probably your best route, because I've been there, I've done that, I've struggled and no more. I use a number of different systems along with my Lead System Pro to get the word out in a way that people enjoy it. I've built my audience. I'm engaging with my audience. I'm selling to my audience. Build, engage, and sell. 3 little pillars. You will be taught that along with amounts of information that you just weren't even thinking about previously. Anyway, if you want to start earning money online, get with the program. Do it the right way. Come to me, BradyTheodore.com. You can connect with me there. Facebook, Brady Theodore. YouTube, Brady Theodore. Just remember Brady Theodore. That's all you got to remember. And I will start showing you how you can start earning an online income, start making money from home. Do it on your own terms. Fire your boss. Live a happy life. I know that I am pretty much stress-free these days. Not like the olden days. 60 years of my life. And I am now 60 plus. And I am crushing it. And I love every minute of it. Anyway, go below. Subscribe. Come back and see me. My Lead System Pro. Try it out. 10-day free trial. That's all you've got to do. I don't know what else to say, guys, except that if you want to make money online, get with the right program. And check out the rest of what I have to offer, because I have some tools and some tips and some tricks, things that I use that are working for me. And if they work for me at 60, I know they'll work for you at 20, 30. You guys are tech savvy. You know what you're doing online. You know how to use, well, you don't know what you're doing online, but you know how to use the technology, as where I had to learn all of it first and then implement what's going on. So you are light years ahead of where I was, because you know the technology. Now get out there, click that button, come see me, and do it real soon.